DK Custom Products Dyna Tank Lift Kit comes with everything needed for an easy install. You do not need to remove the tank, and it fits $19.99 and up Dyna models. Patented design, made from billet aluminum, CNC cut, has a finish of either black powder coat or machine cut finish that can be polished to a mirror finish. The benefits are many. The billet design flows with the frame. It gives much cleaner lines to the bike. It shows off much more of the chrome of your engine. The tank sitting on top of the engine traps the heat, and getting that tank up lets air flow around the engine. Usually get 10 to 15 degrees cooler engine temperature with the tank lift. Not only does it push more air under the tank across the engine, cooling it, but less air comes over the top of the tank, hitting the rider in the chest and then coming up and buffeting their helmet or glasses. For the 1999 through 2009 models, there's a deluxe option, and that allows you to lift the back of the tank a little also. It's not necessary, but some people like the look of the back of the tank lifted up a little in addition to the front. In 2010, Harley started putting a curve in the tank gear of most Dyna models, so just be aware of that when ordering. We also have complete tank lift kits that fit Sportsters, Softails, and Touring models, so you can go to our website and see those. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you could subscribe, we really would appreciate it. If you have friends who have Dyna, share this video with them, help them out. We appreciate you watching. Y'all ride safe out there.